Good morning. Umuulan dito.
Why is it so big?
You make it very nice, ah. And, andito ako sa center. And, sila lang yung pumasok ng mga kids. Kasi na malakas yung ulan. Sila lang yung kids na pumasok kasi malakas yung ulan kanina. Dadalawa lang sila. Yung iba nag-message, hindi makapasok kasi may sakit. Oh. Say hi to them. Say hi. Hi. Hi, friends. Say, Clem, you say hi to the phone. Say hi. I am vlogging. And I will gonna post this to my YouTube. They will gonna see you. Come on, you say hi to them.
Hi.
Say hi. I'm Clem.
I'm Clem.
Okay. I am coloring now.
I am coloring now.
But before I will color this, I have to draw an eyes. That's not the way how to draw eyes, Clem. Come on, you talk to them. They will gonna watch this one soon. And when I post this in the YouTube, they will gonna see.
Let me see it.
When I will post it, I will show you, okay? How about Austin? Very nice. Oh, you say hi to them, Austin. What page is that? Can I see it? That is page 29. I will find page 29. You will color also, yes? Yes. Say hi. Say hi, Austin. Austin, say hi. Austin, look at the phone and say hi. Come on, say hi. You wait, I will teach you how to draw. Ikan, Kapi tayo, auntie. There. Okay. Now, Austin. This is Austin. Okay, look at the picture. This is Austin is smiling. Okay. Now, color the face. Okay, with brown color. Okay. Sila lang yung pumasok, guys. Kasi malakas yung ulan kanina. You color it. You color it.
Yeah. Black lang akin. Oo, sige, black lang. Sige, color black.